I just thought I would do a quick video to give you an idea of what forest ecosystems look like, evergreen forest ecosystems look like along the lower East Coast. What you're looking at is a sable miner. I'm not sure if this is sable miner or saw palmetto. On the underbrush above is mostly live oak, evergreen live oak, and Spanish moss is what you see hanging from them. And this is pretty typical along the lower East Coast, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, extreme southeast North Carolina. And this is evergreen. This looks the same essentially 12 months a year. And this is a pretty good shot of what you could see. I could zoom in a little here. Maybe you could see some of the palm fronds below. And you could see a lot of Spanish moss in this area. And right now it's late December. It's actually fairly warm even for this time of year. It's in the low 70s. Dew point's probably near 70. So it's a fairly warm morning here in North Florida. This is where we are now. But nice green landscape in winter. And the birds are out.